A city once forgotten, now stirring with life. Aba, the Enyimba city, emerges from the shadow of its past to reclaim its position on the world map. The tale of the city of Aba resurgence is one of resilience, reinvention, and relentless determination. Aba was once a bustling hub teeming with activities and promise. However, the tide of time and the wind of change swept through, leaving behind a landscape marred by neglect and decay. Industries dwindled, population disappeared, and hope seemed like a distant memory. But beneath the rubble and remnants of its former glory, seeds of renewal are quietly being planted since Governor Alex Otti was elected the governor of Abia State. He has reawakened the spirit of the people, and now community leaders, entrepreneurs, and passionate individuals has refused to let their city fade into obscurity. With Governor Alex Otti in power, they envision a future where the city of Aba will rise again, vibrant and thriving. The revival of Aba, the Enyimba city, began with small incremental steps like the reconstruction of the dilapidated roads in the city, the remodeling of the city's most populous market, commissioning of the geometric power plant which now supplies power to the city, and lightening of the streets. Abandoned buildings were repurposed into creative spaces, breathing new life into the forgotten corners of the urban landscape. As words of Aba city transformation continues to spread, pioneers and innovators are being drawn to its potential. Startups and tech companies are springing up, attracted by affordable real estate and a supportive community eager to embrace change. The city is once again becoming a hotbed of innovation, with ideas flowing as freely as the river that once served as a lifeblood. But the revival of Enyimba city shouldn't just be about economic revitalization. It should also be about cultural resurgence. Festivals celebrating the city's rich history and diverse heritage should also spring up. This will also help to draw visitors from far and wide to the city. Local cuisines, music and attractions once again should take center stage, fostering a sense of pride and belonging among residents, old and new. To further breathe new life into Aba, the Enyimba city, infrastructure projects like parks, bike lanes, and pedestrian-friendly zones should be put into consideration as it will help in transforming the urban landscape. Green spaces should be built around the city, inviting residents to connect with nature and each other. Public transport systems should be modernized, making it easier for people to navigate the city and access its growing amenities. Today, Aba, the Enyimba city, stands as a shining example of what can be achieved when a visionary leader is in power, surrounded and backed by community who come together with a shared vision and determination to succeed. The story of Aba, the Enyimba city resurgence, serves as a beacon of hope for cities around Nigeria and Southeast in particular facing similar challenges. It reminds us that even in the darkest of time, there is always the possibility of renewal, and that with perseverance and collaboration, anything is possible. As Aba City continues to write the next chapter of its remarkable comeback story, the Nigeria and the world at large watch in awe and anticipation, inspired by its resilience and inspired by its revival. If you enjoyed this video, kindly give it a thumbs up and don't forget to share, leave a comment and subscribe if you are yet to do so. If you want daily updates on about transformation, kindly check out the channel Travel with Iwala and don't forget to subscribe to his channel. See you in my next video.